know, wall planters can come in all kinds of shapes and sizes, and it's really easy to convert almost anything into a wall planter. This client originally had a simple metal hanging on, like a metal sculpture hanging on her wall. It was very flat, and I wanted to bring some life to the space and also bring a little bit of depth as well. And so I replaced that flat piece with this planter. I'm actually not sure if this was meant to be a planter. It does have small drain holes in the bottom of it, but I thought it would be the perfect place to put 3 super easy care plants. These are Pothos. They come in different colors. You can get just an all green one. This one has a little bit of variegation, and then there's other ones that have a ton of variegation, so you can kind of get what works with your style. But I think it really takes up a lot of space on this wall and really creates a nice focal point for this outdoor living space. Of course, you guys know once I planted it, I added a little bit of Spanish moss to make it look like it's a floral arrangement instead of just like a typical backyard pot planting. So if you want to try something new, this should definitely be like #1 on your list to create some real interest in your outdoor living space.